Hello, hi, this is Ramanjaneyulu, Senior Geography Faculty. Welcome to KGH online classes. Today we are discussing about geography, Indian geography. Indian geography. Generally, geography, what is the meaning of geography? Geo means, one is geo, and graphy. What is the meaning of geography? Geo and graphy. Geo means earth, and graphy means Graphy means describe. Totally it is known as earth describe. How to describe the globe, how to describe the earth annappudu generally according to latitudes and longitudes, the earth is described by the latitudes and longitudes. That is known as geography. Geography is nothing but geo means earth, graphy means describe. Totally it is known as earth describe. Generally it is described by the latitudes and longitudes. What are latitudes? What are longitudes? Listen carefully. According to latitudes and longitudes, latitudes are parallel lines. One is latitudes are parallel lines. So generally it is a globe. According to latitudes and longitudes, latitudes are parallel lines. One is, these are parallel lines. One is, latitudes are parallel lines. First one, latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes means, one is, latitudes are parallel lines or horizontal lines. Latitudes are parallel lines, and generally latitudes are very useful for temperature coordination. What are the useful of latitudes? Latitudes are very useful for temperature coordination. One is temperature coordination. Latitudes are very useful for temperature coordination. Latitudes are parallel lines or horizontal lines. What are latitudes? For example, it is a globe. The earth is divided into, for example, it is a 0 degree equator. It is a 0 degree equator. Next one, it is a 23.5 degree south latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree south latitude is known as Antarctic Circle. So generally it is a south pole, 90 degrees south pole. Okay, next one, 0 degree equator north part, 23.5 degree north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degree north latitude is known as Arctic Circle. It is a 90 degrees north pole. 90 degrees north pole. Generally, listen carefully. One is 0 degree equator. What are the important characters of 0 degree equator? Listen carefully. One is, the earth is divided into two equal parts by the 0 degree equator. The earth is divided into two equal parts by the 0 degree equator. 0 degree equator north part is known as North Hemisphere. Next one, 0 degree southern part is known as Southern Hemisphere. But what is the meaning of hemi? Hemi means semi-off. Generally, latitudes are very useful for temperature coordination. One is, what are latitudes? 0 degree equator is known as latitude. 23.5 degree north latitude, Tropic of Cancer also, it is a latitude. Next one, 66.5 degree north latitude also considered as latitude. 90 degrees north pole also it is considered as, it is enumerated as latitude. In southern hemisphere, 0 degree southern part is known as southern hemisphere. Hemi means semi of. Next one, 23.5 degrees southern latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees southern latitude is known as Antarctic Circle. 90 degrees SP South Pole. Sir, generally 0 degree equator. Listen carefully. How many latitudes on the globe? Ante generally total how many latitudes on the global? Generally total latitudes on the globe 181. 181 total latitudes on the globe 181. Generally, listen carefully. Put for example, listen. In North Hemisphere, how many latitudes in North Hemisphere? In North Hemisphere, 90 degrees, 90 latitudes, 90 latitudes, 90 latitudes. Next one in Southern Hemisphere, in Southern Hemisphere, 90 degrees, 90 latitudes, 90 latitudes. Total 180, 180 plus 0 degree equator 181. Total latitudes on the globe 181. In North Hemisphere 90 degrees 90 latitude. In Southern Hemisphere 90 degrees 90 latitude. 90 plus 90 180. 180 including 0 degree equator 181. Total latitudes on the globe 181. Which is the biggest latitude on the globe? 0 degree equator is the biggest latitude of the globe. Okay, understood everyone? 0 degree equator is the largest. 0 degree equator is the largest latitude on the globe. Generally 0 degree equator north part is known as North Hemisphere. Next one, it is a southern part, Southern Hemisphere. Okay, what are the important characters of 0 degree equator? 0 degree equator, what are the important characters of 0 degree equator? Generally 0 degree equator characters, one is the heavy rainfall occurs in 0 degree equator, one is. Number 2, the high temperature recorded in 0 degree equator. The tropical evergreen forests are growing very well. The tropical evergreen forests are grown very well in 0 degree. These are important characters of 0 degree equator. Okay, listen carefully. 0 degree equator. Generally, the 0 degree equator, it passes through, one is Asian continent, African continent and South American continent. Particularly in Asian continent, it passes through, one is Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei. Next one in Asian continent, in these countries, it passes through. Next one, number 2 is African continent, it passes through, one is Uganda and number 2 is Democratic Republic of Congo. Next one in South America, it passes through Ecuador. Next one, Brazil and so many countries. So generally, what are the important characters of 0 degree equator? The 0 degree equator characters are there. One is, it requires, generally, the heavy rainfall occurs, the heavy downpour of rainfall occurs in 0 degree equator, one is. Number 2, high temperature it requires. The high temperature recorded in 0 degree equator. The next one, the tropical evergreen forests are grown very well in these areas. Okay, next one, 23.5 degree north latitude. One is 23.5 degree north latitude is known as the Tropic of Cancer. One is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. One is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Generally, what are the characters? What are the characters of Tropic of Cancer? Tropic of Cancer characters, one is high temperature recorded. High temperature recorded at Tropic of Cancer. Number 2, the little rainfall occurs in Tropic of Cancer. And the third one is the tropical deserts were formed in the western parts of the continents. The tropical deserts were formed in the western parts of the continents. These are important characters of Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, దీన్ని మనం తెలుగులో ఏమంటామంటే కర్కట రేఖ అంటుంటారండి చాలా మంది. కాబట్టి ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సర్ అంటే ఏంటండి? ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సర్ అంటే 23.5 degree north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. What are the important characters of Tropic of Cancer? One is, it requires generally the high temperature recorded in Tropic of Cancer, and number 2 is the tropical deserts were formed in the western parts of the continents, and the third one is the little rainfall occurs in Tropic of Cancer. Sir, listen carefully. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the Tropic of Cancer passes through one is Asian continent. One is the Asian continent, and number two is African continent, African continent, and the third one is North American continent, North America. One is Asian continent, number two is African continent, number three is North American continent. It passes through one is Asia and Africa, and third one is North American continent. So generally, what are the important hot deserts are located in western parts of the continents in question? For example, in Asian continent, hot deserts are one is Arabian desert, and number two is Thar desert in Rajasthan, Thar desert in Rajasthan. Where it is located? The Thar desert is located in western part of the Rajasthan, Thar desert. Generally, Thar desert, it occupies 2 lakh square kilometers. It occupies 2 lakh square kilometers. Generally, it is known as locally, it is known as the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. It occupies 2 lakh square kilometers. Next one, Thar desert and Arabian desert. Thar desert is situated western part of Rajasthan. Arabian desert also located in Asian continent. Next one in African continent, important hot desert that is known as for example, it is a African continent. Yes, okay, it is a hot desert. It is known as Sahara desert, Sahara desert. Generally, Sahara desert is the largest hot desert in the world. In terms of area, it is the largest hot desert in the world. Thar desert, Sahara desert in terms of area, it is the largest hot desert in the world. Generally, it occupies 15 million square kilometers. Generally, where it is situated western part of African continent. In terms of area, it is the largest hot desert or tropical desert across the world. Yes, okay. These are important points about. Next one is the Tropic of Cancer passes through North American continent. Important desert in North American continent, particularly North American United States of America, that is known as Sondron desert. Sondron desert, it lies between United States of America and Mexico. United States of America and Mexico countries. United States of America and Mexico countries. Yes, okay. Okay, these are important points about 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree north latitude. Okay, next one, 23.5 degree south latitude is known as the Tropic of Capricorn. Generally, the Tropic of Capricorn, what are the important characters of Tropic of Capricorn? Sir, same conditions. For example, Tropic of Capricorn, one is high temperature recorded in Tropic of Cancer. Number two, little rainfall occurs in Tropic of Capricorn. And the third one is the tropical deserts. The tropical deserts were formed in the western parts of the continents. These are important points. These are characters of Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through these continents. One is Australian continent. Australian continent. Sir, according to latitudes, the Australian continent separates two parts by the Tropic of Capricorn. One is Australia. Number two is African continent, Africa. African continent. And the third one is South American continent, South America. One is Australia, number two is Africa, and the third one is South American continent. It passes through, one is Australia, number two is African continent, and the third one is South America. It passes through these continents. What are the important hot deserts or tropical deserts were formed in the western parts of the continent? One is Australia. So generally, Australia, important hot desert in Africa, Australian continent, that is known as Australian desert or Victoria desert. It is a Australian continent. Generally, it is a Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. It passes through middle of the continent. Middle of the continent. It is a Australian desert or Victoria desert. Australian desert or Victoria desert. Generally, what is the speciality? What is the prominence of Australian desert? Prominence of Australian desert. One is prominence of Australian desert. Generally, in terms of area, it is the largest tropical desert in southern hemisphere. It is the largest hot desert in southern hemisphere, that is Australian desert or Victoria desert. Okay, number two is African desert. Listen carefully. It is a southwest part of African continent. It is a southwest part of African continent. The Tropic of Capricorn passes Kalahari desert. Kalahari desert. It passes through Kalahari desert. So generally, Kalahari desert, where it is located? It is located southwest of African continent, spread over South Africa, Angola, Namibia, and Botswana. It is also prominent tropical desert in African continent. Prominent hot deserts or tropical deserts in African continent. One is Sahara desert. Sahara desert, in terms of area, it is the largest hot desert or tropical desert in the world. Where it is situated? It is situated western part of African continent. And number two is Kalahari desert. Kalahari desert, also considered as a tropical desert or hot desert, is in southwest part of African continent, spread over. One is South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, and Angola. Yes, okay. Next one is South America. South American continent. Important or prominent tropical desert in South America, that is known as Atacama desert. Atacama desert. One is Australian desert or Victoria desert. Number two is southwest part of African continent, Kalahari desert. In South America, Atacama desert. These are considered as tropical deserts or hot deserts. Okay, yes. Okay, these are important points about latitudes. Okay, now we are discussing about longitudes. Longitudes are semicircles. Listen carefully. One is longitudes are semicircles. Latitudes are horizontal lines or parallel lines. Longitudes are semicircles, and also these are considered as, these are known as meridian lines. Meridian lines. One is semicircles, number two is meridian lines. Okay. It is a north pole, it is a south pole, it is a north pole, it is a south pole. Generally, longitudes are very useful for time coordination. Longitudes are very useful for time coordination. One is time coordination. టైం కోఆర్డినేషన్ కు అంటే కాలమానాన్ని లెక్కించడానికి. లాటిట్యూడ్స్ అనేది ఎందుకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి సార్? లాటిట్యూడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ టెంపరేచర్ కోఆర్డినేషన్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ longitudes are very useful for time coordination. Longitudes are semicircles and also meridian lines. Generally, it is a north pole, it is a south pole. Longitudes, what is the exact meaning of longitude? Longitudes means it connects pole to pole. It connects pole to pole. It connects pole to pole. It is a pole. It is a pole. It connects pole to pole. It connects pole to pole. It connects pole to pole. One is. It connects pole to pole. It is a north pole. It is a north pole. It is a south pole. It connects pole to pole. It is the main purpose. Okay, latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are parallel lines or horizontal lines. Longitudes are semicircles and meridian lines. Longitudes means it connects pole to pole. It is a pole, north pole. It is a southern pole. It connects pole to pole. Generally, ఈ యొక్క లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ టైమ్ కోఆర్డినేషన్, అంటే కాలమానాన్ని లెక్కించడానికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఎస్, నౌ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ 23.5 degree north latitude. Yes. Okay, next one is latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. 23.5 degree. Generally, latitudes and longitudes. One is 23.5 degree north latitude. 23.5 degree north latitude. 23.5 degree north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. One is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north latitude is known as the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, generally the Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of the country. The Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of the country. One is it passes through middle of the country. It is a Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north latitude. Tropic of Cancer. It is a Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of the country. Okay. Generally, it passes through 8 Indian states. It passes through 8 Indian states. What are they? One is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tripura, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Generally, 23.5 degree north latitude, it passes through 8 Indian states, such as one is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tripura, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Jharkhand and West Bengal. It passes through 8 Indian states, such as one is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tripura, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Yes. Okay, next one is, generally, it is a, these are significance, these are indications. One is, it is a degrees. It is a degrees. Next one, it is a minute, minutes. Next one, minutes. Next one, seconds. Degrees, minutes, and seconds. These are identifications. One is a degree, next one is minutes, next one is seconds. According to latitudes, India lies between. According to latitudes, India lies between 80 degrees 4 minutes. It is a 80 degrees 4 minutes up to 37 degrees 6 minutes. 37 degrees 6 minutes. According to latitudes, India lies between from 80 degrees up to 37 degrees. From 80 degrees to 37 degrees. 23.5 degree north latitude Tropic of Cancer. It passes through 8 Indian states such as Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tripura, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. According to latitudes, it lies between 80 degrees 4 minutes up to 37 degrees 6 minutes. Okay. Next one. According to longitudes, longitudes are semicircles. Longitudes are semicircles. One is longitudes are semicircles. According to longitudes, it lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes. It stretches from 68 degrees up to 97 degrees 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Sir, it is appear like a box. It is known as a grid. Grid means it is a longitudes, it is a latitudes. It is known as a grid. Grid are very useful to identify the particular location. Grids are very useful for to identify the particular locations. అంటే ఒక ప్రత్యేకమైన ప్రదేశాన్ని ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తించడానికి ఏవి దోహదపడతాయంటే these are very useful for to identify the particular location. Grid. One is longitudes, these are latitudes. అలా చేసినప్పుడు జనరల్లీ గ్రిడ్ అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది. It appears like a box. It is known as, it is considered as grid. Grids are very useful for to identify the particular location. These are latitudes and longitudes. Okay, according to longitudes, India stretch from 68 degrees up to 97 degrees 25 minutes. Stretch from 68 degrees 7 minutes up to 97 degrees 25 minutes. Okay, next one, 82.5 degree. It is a 82.5 degree east longitude. It is a 82.5 degree east longitude. It is a Sri Lanka. Next one, 82.5 degree east longitude. 82.5 degree east longitude. 82.5 degree east longitude. 82.5 degree east longitude. 82.5 degree east longitude is known as Indian Standard Time. Sir, it is described as Indian Standard Time, IST. Indian Standard Time. 82.5 degree east longitude is known as Indian Standard Time. It is a standard time of India as well as it is a standard time of Nepal and Sri Lanka also. ఇది భారతదేశానికి స్టాండర్డ్ టైం కాదండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ స్టాండర్డ్ టైం నేపాల్ అండ్ శ్రీలంక ఆల్సో. కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ స్టాండర్డ్ టైం ఇండియా, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ నేపాల్ అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్ ఇస్ శ్రీలంక. 82.5 degree east longitude is considered as Indian Standard Time. Sir, Indian Standard Time 82.5 degree east longitude, it passes through 5 Indian states. One is it passes through 5 Indian states. One is Uma and Co. U for Uttar Pradesh, M for Madhya Pradesh, A for Andhra Pradesh, C for Chhattisgarh, O for Orissa. Generally, Uma and Co. Indian Standard Time 82.5 degree east longitude Indian Standard Time. It passes through 5 Indian states. They are, one is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. It passes through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Orissa states. Indian Standard Time. Okay, next one. It passes through these towns. In Uttar Pradesh, it passes through, one is Mirzapur, Allahabad and Varanasi. MAV. M for Mirzapur, A for Allahabad, V for Varanasi. It passes through 82.5 degree east longitude. Passes through, one is Mirzapur, Allahabad, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Number 2, in Madhya Pradesh, 82.5 degree, it passes through Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Next one in Andhra Pradesh, 82.5 degree it passes through Kakinada. Kakinada. It is the headquarter of East Godavari, and also Kakinada and also Yanam.